Case only, not include drill bits. This nail drill organizer has one divider design, 40 nail drill bit slots. Double pocket in the back. Enough space to store most portable nail drill tools, most types of nail drill bits, sanding bands, acrylic nail tips, convenient design, zipper mesh pocket with a 5 nails drill machine elastic band. To store your portable nail drill machine, charging cable, nail polish and other accessories. 40 drill bit slots, 2 independent mesh pockets, 40 flexible slots, convenient to hold all kinds of nail drill bits tightly. 2 independent mesh pockets for store sanding bands, fake nail tips, or other small things. Comprehensive protection of the nail drill kit. This nail drill bits holder is made of premium EVA material, provide full protection to prevent your drill accessories from broken, scratches, impacts, spills, and dust. Soft interior prevents the nail drill bits from scratching other tools. Elastic bands keep everything organized and stable, avoiding the damage caused by collision. Convenient handle, easy carry, meet your needs. The wristband and smooth zipper match this box, which makes it very convenient to store manicure art tools at home. It can also travel directly in the suitcase. Clean Nail DIRLL Kit Bag, suitable for household and nail manicurist, lightweight and compact nail drill bits case, easy to put into bag or luggage. Perfect for household and do manicure work. Top reviews from the United States. Great buy. I am shocked how great this case fits all my nail bits and my drill. My drill is larger and I was worried it wouldn't fit in addition to all the components that go with it. So glad I purchased this compact case.